Hi guys, today we are going to solve our application problem. It's written, Eva puts her 12 cookies on her sheet in 2 rows. Draw Eva cookies as number bond of 10 ones and 2 ones. Use hide 0 cards, then find and circle 10 cookies that are inside 12 cookies. So let's see. We are going to do 2 rows and 6 columns. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 over here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's just put it like this. Okay, now that we know there are 12, you want to know a tip? Read, think, draw, and write. I already drawed. Now let's think of something. I know something. We can do our hide 0 cards now. So I'll take my eraser and let's do our hide 0 cards. Now I'm going to write 10. Okay, I'll just write 10. See, I'll put 1, 0 like this. Now you know what I'm going to do. I am going to put 2 over here. Well, it won't look like this. Then how would it look? That's why we call it a hide 0 cards, because we have to hide the number 0. And it looks like the number 12 like this. See? We'll cover it and it looks like 2. We have to cover the 0. Now let's make the number bond. We have to circle them. We will circle 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I'll just put these here. And I circled 10 cookies. Now, how many are left? 2. Easy. Now, with 12 equals to 10 and 2. Just like this. Bye. I'll see you later.